It's me, Kendall, and Nathan, and Mary.
Subject followers.
Brendan. Well, what are you doing? Brendan! Oh, what are you doing? Brendan?
My phone just died. Oh, yes, Brendan, run!
I just spit my gummy bears on Nathan.
Run, Forrest, run!
Are you only eating it because there's chocolate?
I'm only eating you for the chocolate.
You hear me? You said
Can
you
you
only
not,
eating
like,
it for the
reverse?
chocolate? I said I'm only. No, I swear, if you put that on YouTube, I'm gonna kill you.
Sorry, Marin. Please kill me.
Wow.
I'm gonna make a compilation of all me and Kendall's Snapchats. That'd be brilliant.
Insert now! Gabby, Serena Williams, do it for Jacob! Mom, I have to tell you something. What is it, sweetie? I got an Porsche. So this girl, she called crunchy slime snow slime, and I wanted to kill her. 3, 2, 1. I know. Mom!
Speaking of which, I just got my hair stuck in a ukulele, so that's on my list.
Hey, Kendall, Marin sandwich is ready.
Okay.
Okay, I can breathe now.
Yeah, you're not gonna want to.
Wow, that's hot.
I'm hot. I know.
Wait.
And is that?
No, I thought you said I'm hot, and I was
said
like,
I'm hot, and he goes, I know.
I thought you said that I'm hot. Ew, what the? That's nasty.
I hear you.
No.
Rumor at school that Kendall spits dog shit.
Over it.
In her salad glands.
It's all true though.
You're standing up. Nah,
Dog shit.
I know you're stealing. Dude, it's like bleeding. Done.
Like your vagina.
That's when we got the tampons.
I sexually identify as a red Power Ranger.
Put down my story.
Dog shit.
And you're gonna go Power Rangers.
Hey, comment down below if you ship Brendan and Marin. Me too. Oh, he's stealing! He's stealing!
No, stop! Wait, no, don't open my coffee! I've been stuck.
Brendan's penis is stuck to the scooter.
I forgot that I had braces.
No, they tasted good. It tasted like Doritos on the outside. It's like Doritos and Cheetos combined.
I was a mistake!
Guess what? I'm crunchy on the inside and spicy on the outside, just like it's Aki.
Gummy bears.
He littered!
Did you just pull off my camera?
What's your phone at, Kendall?
420.
No, actually.